Hello everyone. In the 1.8 update of the WorldGen infinite terrain generation system, I have implemented this exclusion volume. So as you can see in this thumbnail, on the left side we have the dynamically generated terrain, and on the right side we have this village that stays on the terrain, but the village area is excluded from the dynamic generation of the terrain. So here is the in-game example. So here, as you can see, this terrain is seamlessly blending. The whole big terrain is dynamically generated through code, and this area here I have placed these exclusion volumes you see here. So each exclusion volume, for each of them I have multiple parameters. Here we can set the size to define the bounds of the volume, and then I have this flatten terrain option or auto flatten height. That means the center of this exclusion volume is used as the terrain height. And also you have this blend radius, so which defines the strength of the blending to the simulated terrain and to the flattened area. So here, if I play the game, here you see terrain is built, generated in runtime, but this area is excluded from foliage, so we can have hand placed elements within our generated terrain system. So here, if I move around, still everything is working as before. Terrain is generated as I move around, but the hand placed area will remain intact. And you can put a whole streaming level anywhere you want in the level by placing an occlusion volume. Oh, it's big. I can't find where did I place the houses. Yeah. Anyway, let me stop. Yeah, here. Okay, so this is how you do it. Let's say that. So here, actually, this is just I'm previewing the terrain. You don't have to have this. This is just a preview so that I can get an idea how this will be. The terrain will be generated based on seed and all other parameters. Let's find a nice area for a settlement. Maybe somewhere like this. Here, let's say I want to place a settlement over here. So what I can do is exclusion, WorldGenExclusionVolume, and place it here. Make it bigger. And now, if I play the game, now you see the area defined by that is flattened and there are no foliage. So this is one use case. Now you can actually do this within the level as well. So let me move it to the top. About chunks. Oh, it's gonna take time. Right, now this is this volume. So here, if I now select the world streaming manager and hit preview terrain, you can see in the editor time how the level is going to be like this. Now let's say you don't want to flatten the terrain, but you only want to exclude foliage generation. So here you can disable this flatten terrain option and you can keep the suppress foliage. And then if you press preview terrain again, see, now the height map is intact, but the foliage is gone. Here, foliage is cleared, but Nothing is changed to the height map. And similarly, you can do the other way as well. Just flatten and no need to suppress grass or foliage. So yeah, all the options are there for you to seamlessly blend the generated terrain and hand authored content streaming levels. So yeah, that's basically what this exclusion volumes does. And yeah, here is the concept. Procedural terrain is infinite, seamless, automatic. It runs itself, no input required. But hand-authored content, things like villages, dungeons, points of interest, spawn points, all those things you may need to handcraft. So for these areas, you can use the exclusion volume. So it will blend seamlessly with the generated area. And these are all the options you have in the exclusion volume. Flatten terrain you can know, flatten auto flatten height, that means this align the volume is set with the flatten height, and flatten is strength, and blend radius, suppress foliage, suppress grass. So using those options, you can basically have these three modes of exclusion. Alright, so thanks for watching. As always, updated project files will be available in my Patreon page and also in Fab. So feel free to check it out. I'll leave links to everything in description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.